Bonjour!
Bonjour!
So before we get started on this vlog, guys, we've got to sort the van out. So yeah, I'll show you in a second, but it's covered in snow. It's not too bad today, but I mean we had to clear about...
We've been clearing it, so it's not got loads on.
Yeah, we had about a metre to clear the other day, didn't we? But we had loads of snow to clear, and basically the reason we do it is if we don't clear it and then it's sunny like it is today, it starts to melt, turns to ice when it gets cold overnight, and then we're stuck trying to chip ice off the van when we need to drive it. So we'll start that, and then we'll get started with this week's vlog. Alright guys, so the van is cleared now. Obviously I didn't do that.
You stood and watched while I cleared it all off.
It's not really for me, that job, if I'm honest.
It's a man job.
It's a man job. Right, so we've been here in France now for about...
just over a month.
Yeah, just over, probably coming up to 6 weeks-ish now. Yeah, 6 weeks we've been coming up to now. So we've had a really good time so far.
Enjoying it. We've
done loads of snowboarding, a little bit of skiing. Also we've done some hot tubbing. We're in the hot tub. We've obviously done some work. We've obviously worked, we've had guests at the chalet, we've cooked, we've cleaned, all the things that are incorporated into our jobs as chalet helpers. What else have we done? I feel like we've done more than that.
We went over to Abundance and saw that icy lake that everyone was skating on.
Yeah, so we've explored the area a little bit, seen what's about. There's definitely a lot more to see. So where we are is Col de Corbière, which is, it's not technically part of the ski area, I don't think, but we're basically in the Porte du Soleil ski area. So that's got Voriaz, Morzine, Chatel, Leger, all those sorts of areas within the ski area, all drivable distances, so it's a really cool place to be kind of located, to situated. But yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. We're a bit out of the way of like Morzine town, so it's not as like a party atmosphere here, but it's like you're in the mountains and it's peaceful and quiet.
And I sliced my finger off.
On a knife, it was very dramatic. We were going to put sutures or whatever they're called on.
It was quite bad. There's like a flap of skin that's like hanging off like blah, 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 blah. But yeah, anyway, so what's next? What's next for our channel? What's next for us? What's happening? Let's keep you updated. So we are out here, staying here at in Col de Corbière with our job at the chalet until
April.
End of April.
20th-ish?
No, that's the last week.
It's the 27th.
Yeah, end of April. We're staying out here till.
Because Easter's a bit later, so the resorts stay open for Easter usually. So this year they're open a little bit longer than normally to cover Easter.
So that's good. And then what we're doing after that, we're not sure. We'll probably start when it gets to kind of February, March time. We'll start kind of having a look at where we want to go. Do we want to stop off at some places on the way back? Are we going to go to maybe Portugal, Spain? Who knows? We haven't decided yet. Nothing is set in stone, but when it is, you guys will know. The snow's much better now. Much better.
Yeah, we had quite a lot of snow this last week.
Yeah, we had about a metre last week. Metre? About a metre? Something like that. So it's quite good. So yeah, the piste is much better now. The off-piste is good, although the avalanche risk is still high, so you can go off-piste. Just obviously there is precautions and things you need to take into consideration. Especially the more mellower slopes like Happy Valley, things like that. It's not too steep, so you're pretty alright in those sorts of areas. But yeah.
Been through Happy Valley a few times.
Yeah, Happy Valley was good. If you've seen...
We did the Swiss Wall.
Yeah, we did Swiss Wall. So Swiss Wall's like one of the... alleged anyway, hardest runs in... I think it's the one in the top 10 hardest runs in the world of ski resorts or something.
It tends to be in a lot of top 10, like in papers and magazines and stuff. Top 10 hardest ski runs in the world kind of thing.
It's like 90% gradient. So I think it's got like it's about a kilometre long, and it's got a vertical drop of 330 metres over the space of that kilometre. So yeah, that'll give you an idea how steep it was. It's only the top bit's the worst. It's steep at the top, and then after that it mellows out. But I didn't find it too bad. I was really nervous at the top. I was thinking, oh my god, what have I let myself in for? He wasn't bothered. He was like, let's go, it'll be fine. But no, it was not as hard as the people make it out to be, but I do think it is one of those runs that it's very much dependent. Yeah, dependent on the conditions. Like
if you did it when it was rock hard ice, solid moguls, it's going to be a lot more of a nightmare than when you just had 2 massive days of dumping snow on top of it.
Yeah, I mean the snow was good. It was good underfoot when we did it, nice and soft. So yeah, in that respect we probably got away with it a little bit easier, but it was good. It was good to finally tick it off the list. We've been out here on holiday about 4 or 5 times now, and we haven't had the chance to do it for whatever reason, so it was good to finally get that tick in the box. We've done Swiss Wall. I would probably do it again.
Yeah.
Obviously conditions dependent. I'm not going there on an icy day, that's for sure. But yeah, the snow's much better now, so if you're heading out to France, anywhere in the French Alps really, but if you're heading out here, let us know. But anywhere in the France for the next couple of weeks, you're probably going to be alright. The snow's good. Conditions are really nice. The resorts have done a really good job, because even though we haven't had the snow up until about last week, the temperatures have been really cold, so the resorts have been able to get the snow cannons working and keep the piste open and stuff. So the base is pretty much built up now, I'd say.
Yeah, you can see where the groomers have been like off piste and pushing the snow back onto the pistes and stuff like that.
Yeah, so
they've been keeping some good few runs open, but it's got a pretty good base now. It'd have to have something tragic, I think, to happen.
Do not say that. I cannot deal with tragic. If I see more rain, I will actually cry. I cannot deal with rain in the Alps. It's just heartbreaking. So yeah, so that's kind of where we're at in terms of our adventure right now. The next couple of videos, we're going to do a couple of videos probably showing you the ski resorts themselves. We've got a GoPro. It's quite an old one. It's a GoPro Hero 2, but it still works. It still does what it needs to do. So we're going to take that out and try and get a bit more filming. But yeah, we tend to have that much of a good time that we forget to get the camera out. So
we're too busy riding to film a lot of the time, but we're going to make a definite effort to get the camera out.
Yeah, we'll make a conscious effort to get the camera out. We're going to show you some really cool areas. I want to show you Happy Valley. Not a lot, I mean everyone here knows about it, but I think if you're coming to this area new for a week, you maybe wouldn't know about it unless you're talking to people around. So I'm going to show you that. We'll show you that. We'll show you, maybe go up to Avoriaz. The park over in Avoriaz is good. We'll go over to Switzerland. We'll do a bit of a tour. We'll show you the ski resort. So if you are coming out here, you know what to expect. We'll show you some really good runs. They're good lifts. The lifts to avoid because they travel about 1 mile an hour. But yeah, things like that. We'll do that. And then we'll probably do a few more van videos. Like we've done quite a bit of different storage and stuff in the van, which I still haven't got around to showing you guys. So we're going to do some of that. And then this is important. It's important. We're obviously in France and we wanted to do a challenge. We've not done a challenge video, have we? Now, we're not really a challenge video channel, but I thought we could incorporate some sort of challenge into one of our weekly vlogs. Now, we're in France, so if we hit 1,000 subscribers while we are in France, 1000. That's what I said.
No, you said 2 zeros, I think.
No, right. 1 3 zeros. I'm not making this up. We've already got 100. I don't want to go down. Please don't go down. But yeah, once we hit 1000 subs, we will try snails. Now, anybody who knows me personally will know I have an issue with textures of food, and I saw some snails the other day and it looked disgusting. Absolute disgusting, slimy, big bogies. The minging. Anyway, we hit 1000 subs. We're gonna film a challenge video of, well, we'll both do it. We'll both eat the snails, but
the pleasure will be watching Charlotte eat them.
So yes, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because that will be funny. But
Imagine
yeah,
I'm a celebrity grub challenge.
yeah, literally be like a bush trucker. Don't, it's making me feel sick already. Oh, right, yeah, so anyway, that, I've put it out there now. It's on the channel. I did put it over on Instagram last week, but yeah, we will do it. 1000 subs and I will film us eating snails. Deal. But also, hello.
And if you subscribe to us on YouTube, make sure you go to Instagram. You're probably not watching this video if you're on Instagram, but if you are,
subscribe to us YouTube.
Then subscribe to us YouTube.
Yes, and also our new blog is, well, I say new, I've kind of redesigned it, but our new blog's up and running. www.pelicancampers.com.
A lot cleaner and smarter now.
Yes.
Easier to read, I think.
A lot cleaner, a lot smarter, lots more pictures. It's a mixture of things for the van, so how-tos, things to consider, all that sort of stuff, and travel stuff, so packing snowboard bags, or whether it's visiting destinations, things we've done on all our trips. I've tried to kind of put it over onto there, so if you prefer to read things or you want to go over and take a look, do that. Let us know what you think of it.
Stuff we've learned from our mistakes are on there as well, so
we've made a lot of mistakes.
You don't have to make the mistakes because we've made them first for you.
We've made a lot of mistakes.
But you only learn from failure.
But yeah, so that's pretty much what we've been up to. That's kind of a general channel update, I'd probably describe it as. But yeah, if you've got any kind of things that you want to see while we're here, or things that you think we should go and do while we're here, or places we should go visit at the end of the winter, that's a really good one actually. Drop us, let me know where you think we should go after we finish our jobs. So we're in the French Alps, which is like, we're pretty much on the French-Swiss border here. But obviously we've got the van, so we're pretty happy to drive wherever. So yeah, if there's any places that you would 100% recommend,
yeah, if you can recommend some places, or if there's places you've seen that you'd like to see us go to, that you thought, I'd like to go there but I've never got there, I wonder what it's like, we'll scout it out for you.
Yeah.
If you let us know where you're thinking.
We'll go on a scout, a European scout. Pelican Campers, European scout. That's it. When we finish the winter, that's what's happening. Right here, right now. But yeah, otherwise, hello to all our new subs. We've had quite a couple of new subs over the last 2 weeks or so. So hello to you guys.
Hello and thanks. Good work.
Good work, you know where it's at, you know where it is to be cool. Also as well, looking at our YouTube, I can't even say the word,
Analysis?
No, analytics, is that word? Analytics?
Yeah, I think so.
Anyway, there's a huge percentage of you guys who watch these videos who aren't subscribed to the channel. Like, a lot of our watch time comes from people who aren't subscribed. So hit that subscribe button, because then you'll see us eating a snail.
Want to see us eating a snail.
Plus
you also will just want to see more of our faces, because you'll never get bored.
Also, have you seen my goggle tan starting to come on already? And I've already been here, it's only like the 19th of January or something stupid,
And that's pretty good for a January
goggle tan.
Starting the goggle tan early.
So yeah, I might also see how good of a goggle tan I can build up this winter, because it's, you know, I really like that unwashed panda eye look that you get going on at the end of the winter.
Depending on how you look at it, it will either be a rad goggle tan or a horrendous goggle tan.
So yeah, shall I go for the goggle tan, guys? Shall I try and build it up? Let me know. But yeah, otherwise, we'll see you soon. Hopefully in the next few days, actually, because I want to put like another video out in the next couple of days. So, see you soon.
See you soon.